Hello traders, in front of you, Alpha Fibonacci System with Nasdaq. This is a crucial, critical part. This is a work you do every single day prior to placing a trade. This is how you prepare for your trade. This is exactly what Firebords does. Continue performing stellar work on Nasdaq. Look at this chart. This is July 8th. This is ultimate bottom on Nasdaq. This is ultimate top. This is where Nasdaq skyrockets from, and this is where Nasdaq selling off from, and this is Nasdaq this morning on this chart. But let's go all the way to July 7th, shall we, on Nasdaq. What would your trading be like if you knew hours, days, weeks, months and years in advance where ultimate bottom and ultimate top is? Would you sleep better at night? Here's Nasdaq on July 8th. Ultimate bottom, ultimate institutional buy on this chart. Price knows extremely well this is a key test next. This level is out, this level is next. This level is out, this level is next. It never gets old, I promise. And every single day it gets only better. Only you can identify what you want to trade. Here's July 12th. It's a stepping stone, remember? One step at a time. Price stock, mid trading range. All the details in Thursday class and module 3 and 4. This is next. So I skip and move forward to July 14th. There is no surprise, all precise. And we dive into this in every live class. To the downside, it's a stepping stone. This is first, this is second, this is key. This is out, Nasdaq in free fall. What a stunning institutional morning on Nasdaq. But let's skip forward to July 16. It never gets old, I promise. Yesterday morning, I keep warning you, you cannot short near. I keep warning you, it's institutional buy zone on Nasdaq. How viciously Nasdaq rallied from this level is a stunning reminder. Trading with institutions, knowing ultimate bottom and ultimate top in advance is an intelligent way to trade any instrument you choose. This morning Nasdaq not in perfect place but still a good one. This remains a problem. This is a brick wall. One step at a time. And if I convert this chart to 5, what do you see? Identical precision on every single chart. This is Nasdaq yesterday morning. There is no speculation here. It was stunning, breathtaking, how viciously Nasdaq defended day trading reversal zone and institutional buy point. Only problem, this morning we are not there on Nasdaq. We were there on S&P. On Nasdaq we are higher. And this will remain a problem and can be problem for days. But if I take you back to a very different instrument, the one that took everyone by surprise, but not Steve. Let me remind you what played out on Bitcoin. Because with Alpha Fibonacci System, you can trade anything you choose. Here's Bitcoin, January 2021. Many months in advance, you know where Bitcoin would crash and burn from. 60,000 level. Not the place to buy. Steve knows that. So when Bitcoin starts showing exhausted buyers at reversal zone, it's a quiet before the storm. There is no surprise when Bitcoin in free fall. There is no surprise what Bitcoin is doing this morning. It's nothing. It's junk. It's weakness. Day trading not your cup of tea. Use everything for long-term positions. Crash on Bitcoin from 65,000 to 20. So this is a stunning lesson, not to speculate, not to gamble. Sell-off on Bitcoin is not done. One step at a time. This level is next, this level to follow. Bitcoin, beautiful place to be. 11,000 level. Bitcoin traders know that very, very well. But no one ever making money by speculation. Everyone in the course who is making money, making effort, obeying the rules. And when you do, the sky's the limit. This was a start with Ken on Bitcoin. 29 out of 29 trades during crisis. Then Ken keep updating us. 50 for 50. Movie maker trading on his iPhone using options. But it's a very different trading that Dominic does, whose father, hedge fund manager Andy, brought him to the course. Do you want to trade Bitcoin? Or do you want to trade Nasdaq? So in case you missed the events in the trading room, this was S&P this morning at institutional buy point. This is ultimate precision, ultimate entry, ultimate stop, ultimate targets. This is what Dominic trades, not what Steve trades, not what Ken trades. Every trader, different account, different background. Here's a review of S&P with Alpha Fibonacci System since before the crash. S&P reaches institutional reversal zone. Intelligent trader understands what the rules are. Intelligent trader knows what identifies institutional sell-off well before it plays out. So when the news is blaring that market in the free fall at historical levels with historical volatility, intelligent trader preserve the capital. Intelligent trader not panicking. Intelligent trader thinks as top 1% does. Crisis is opportunity. 2200 level institutional buy point. Would you like to buy with institutions at the bottom? When this level is reached, intelligent trader understands. March 2020, when our spectacular country in complete lockdown? How is it possible? Institutions buying the market? Look at that chart. Shocking. Top 1% buying the bottom. Exact top 1% that owns news channels, that blasting the worst news, buying the worst news. Oops. This is how the game is made in the markets. If trading on the news worked, every person on the planet would be Bill Gates. The most spectacular rally in more than 100 years on the way. Hundreds of trades per day on Nasdaq. Nasdaq is flying, so is Dow, so is S&P. Buying the bottom with institutions is the easiest thing to do. It's a dream. Day trading when billions of dollars taking positions. So do you. You are not listening to noise. You're not listening to panic. You want to become top 1%. You need to stop thinking, living and breathing as the rest does. You are trading price. You understand how game is made. Enjoying the most spectacular rally. There's still no good news. There's still nightmare in the world. But the vertical bullish rally picking up this steam, and in 2020 when market reaches reversal zone, no one's selling this market. Every pullback is being bought. What did you do in 2020? Have you had panic, anxiety and depression? Or have you traded pure price? What have you done? Have you been shorting this market? Or have you been only buying with institutions? This is the reason I live and breathe what I do. Because our students did just fine. It never gets old, I promise. Because this is what it's all about. It never gets old. Never, ever, ever. And when I close the tap on oil, of course, you can do that too. Choice is yours. We are no longer 2200 level traders, are we? We are at 4250 this level. If you missed the previous video, please do. It's a very different market because institutional vertical rally doubled in value from 2200 to 4400 level. Top 1% just doubled their wealth this year. The biggest amount of wealth produced ever in the history of US is a stunning lesson. Trade with institutions, never, ever, ever against them. And when you do, as you have done this morning, once again you are on the right side of the market, you are buying the bottom. You are not gambling, are you? It's identical price action as in March 2020. But it's a very different number. It's no longer 2200, is it? So look back on this chart and ask yourself a question. How many shorts have you done? If you placed more than 2% shorts in the last year and a half, please stop trading life. You're trading against institutions. You have a lot to learn. And when you do, you're riding Goldman, BlackRock, JP Morgan power. I know, I mentored them. So if you think, as JP Morgan trader does, the skies are the limit. You become intelligent intelligent, strategic trader, as my students have shown you this morning. Correct? So Sharjil can do 3 points on S&P. Second day in the course, so can you. You simply have to make an effort. You simply have to obey the rules. And when you do, you can trade any instrument you choose. But if you want to trade Forex, of course you can. Price is price on every instrument. So if you would like to join us, as Richard just done, it's one of the smartest things you have ever done. You can view the power of the system in our live trading room and read very carefully, as it's all spelled out on the website. This is a system for any platform or software for Ninja 8. Every single one of these traders trading different instrument. Every single one of these traders has different background. Listen to our podcast channel, listen to what students share, view students' emails and what students say about course, and choose from option appropriate for you. But if you would like to trade as Ken does, he made movie about his life, so did Brad, and view video from the trading room, view option appropriate for you. This is a group course with lifetime system or lifetime software for Ninja 8. Group course, private mentoring available, video library modules and trading room included. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. But again, if you are on Sierra charts, it's a system, it's not a software. It's a lifetime system. Software for Ninja 8. Software for Ninja 8 came out in 2019. System traded globally on all instruments since 2011. You decide what platform you want to trade on. System for any platform. Software for Ninja 8. I hope you're joining us today.